So, hello. I'm gonna be making a knotless knot with a small circle hook and some line.
Okay.
First things first, you take your line, you put it in there, and as you can see, it looks like that. And then you bend it.
Do you hold the tag line with the hook? Oh, I guess you do.
Like
Good.
that. And then you grab the other end of your line.
Uh-huh.
Wait.
And you give it twists?
Yes.
Okay. How many you think you're gonna make? How many twists?
5.
Only 5? That's enough, I guess.
5 or 7. I like to do a good 7. And then you got that.
Then you do what? And then you hold it.
Pinch that.
You pinch it.
Grab the other end.
The other end. Okay. And you put in more? You tie it in more?
There.
Okay.
And then pinch this.
Mm-hmm. You make it through the guy. Okay, through the eye of the hook. Okay. Okay, grab the line. Let me see. Show me the line. Show me the hook.
Then you got a knotless knot. Because there's no knots. Then, boom.
Stop moving. Perfect. That's a beautiful knot. Good job.